Hello, today I'm going to show you how to join our channel as a member. First, let's start from a phone. You can go to the YouTube app, already be signed in, and then go ahead and search for Christ-Centered Ironworks. We will be heading over to our channel homepage. You can do so by selecting the photo or the line that says Christ-Centered Ironworks. When you get there, on the right-hand side you will see the Join button. Go ahead and click on that. From there, you can see the various membership tiers and what we offer at each tier. This will be updated in the near future, so look back soon for more information. When you find the tier you like, go ahead and click the Join button below that tier. Next, it will take you to enter your payment information and you can press Subscribe. Once the payment has processed, it'll welcome you and show you your member perks. Also, while at our channel, if you go under the membership section, you will be able to see special behind-the-scenes content, links for membership events, and much more. Next, let's look at becoming a member from a computer. We will start off by going to youtube.com/Christ-Centered-Ironworks. You will want to be signed into your YouTube/Google account. As you see here, up in the upper right hand, I've already done so. Now we're ready to click on the Join button. When we click on that button, it will show us the various membership tiers. Each tier has different features. You can select from the menu on the left-hand side to see what each of the tiers offer. Again, these will be updated soon with lots new features. When you click Join, it will give you the chance to enter your payment information. Then you can select Buy. Once that is processed, it welcomes you as a member. It tells you about your perks, and you can also access your perks specifically from our channel homepage by clicking on the Membership tab. Under the Membership tab, you will find lots of behind-the-scenes info, links for members' events, and much more. Thank you for considering being a member of Christ-Centered Ironworks.